Hi everybody, this is Jeremy Latchall with Macatawa Unmanned Systems. Today we are going to go over the Mavic 2 Enterprise. The Mavic 2 Enterprise. This is a pretty sweet UAS. It just came out in November of 2018, so it's brand new. It's specifically designed for our public safety officials. Of course, there's going to be a lot more use cases to it than just that. So what's really great about this one is it comes in its own case. So when you buy one, you get the whole case. You don't have to worry about getting aftermarket hard case. So let's open it up. Now notice it's got a nice cover here. On the back, you'll want to notice what's in the box. We've got a strobe, we've got a speaker, and we also have a floodlight. Now down here you're going to notice there's a barcode for the DJI Pilot app. You're going to want to get the DJI Pilot app through Google Play, and now it's actually on iOS. So the good news is DJI finally came out with the iOS for the Pilot app. Most likely they finished it off specifically for this UAS. The Enterprise 2 Mavic Enterprise 2. Fresh out of the box. So we've got our speaker, our floodlight, our strobe light, battery charger, cable, our controller, our kit, directions, our props, and of course the Mavic 2 Enterprise. Sort of like the Mavic in terms of how it's foldable. Notice we got sensors. What's great about this is most of it, and they'll say that it's not completely 360, but for the most part this does have 360 sensors on it. Now what you'll notice is in the front you'll see sensors on the side here, sensors in the back. So when you're actually flying, and of course on the bottom, when you're actually flying this almost in every direction except for specifically on the top, if something comes down here, that's kind of the only non-360 area. But how often are you going to actually fly straight up is rare. So you're usually flying like this at an angle, going up, going down, or side to side. And we got angles on all of those. They have the accident avoidance sensors. So that's the first new part. Another new part is the battery itself. These batteries are amazing. They're self-heating, so in terms of cold, most of the time you have issues with the Mavic itself. Now you've got self-heating batteries, so that'll save you a lot of time and issues in the winter, specifically, especially for those of us up north. So you have that. Next you'll see this little cap on top comes off. On it's a micro USB port. On the micro USB is where you can actually change your sensors. So notice we've got the speaker. Put the speaker on. It just fits right in snugly to the USB. Again, fits snugly right into that USB, and then you just screw it in. Now what you do with this is the speaker and anything else you put on it, the lights, you've got to angle it yourself. There's no secondary remote to UAS configuration where you can have motors or anything like that, control it while you're in flight. You have to do this while you're on the ground. So once you get the angle that you want, you're ready to go. When you're done, you just unscrew it, pop it off, unscrew it, pop it off, put your cap back on. You can fly it this way too. Same cover, locking mechanism, and then you've got the 3-time optical zoom camera, just like the Mavic 2 zoom. So it's fairly identical to that. However, you've got the heated battery that's different, the sensors around every portion of it to make more or less a 360, and then you've obviously got the attachments that make it incredible.